Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to use the Zudio Vitamin C Glow Stick. First, begin with a freshly cleansed face. It's important that your skin is completely dry before application to ensure the product adheres well. Next, gently twist the base of the glow stick. You only need to expose about 1/4 of an inch of the product for easy and hygienic application. This prepares the stick for its first use. Now for the application. Gently glide the Zudio Vitamin C Glow Stick directly onto your skin. Use light, upward strokes across your face. Concentrate on areas where you desire a radiant glow, such as your cheekbones, forehead, and chin. Remember to avoid the delicate skin around your eyes and mouth. A few passes are usually sufficient to cover the desired areas effectively. Using the Zudio Vitamin C Glow Stick regularly offers fantastic benefits. You'll notice your skin appearing brighter and more even-toned over time. It helps to impart a natural, healthy-looking glow, enhancing your complexion. For optimal results, incorporate this into your routine once or twice a day, perhaps in the morning and evening. Consistency is key to achieving that desired radiant look. To maximize the benefits of your Zudio Vitamin C Glow Stick, remember a few simple tips. Always store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its efficacy. After each use, securely replace the cap to prevent the product from drying out. For an added layer of hydration and glow, you can follow up with a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.